Hi everybody, Michael Tiny Saul. It is Wednesday, April 27th at 9:33 p.m. and this is continued management of the Stock Trading Watchlist for the week of April 25th, 2011. Start with China Biotics. Had a nice day on Wednesday, up 8.5%, almost 8.6%. So we took half off at $9.44 plus $1.20. Still looking to take the second half off at $10.44. That'll be a nice gain on this one. What wasn't a nice gain and was instead a stop out was ALJ. ALJ stopped out. It was a half-size trade. So CHBT, by the way, is a half-size trade also. But this is a half-unit loss on this one, ALJ. Let's take a look at IRM. IRM, we were looking for a trade to 2 cents below Tuesday's high, move stops to break even. And the high was 32.15, and we only went to 30.11. So we did not move our stops to break even. So we're still going to be watching this one here. I'm going to... Right now, we have the 31.85 as the entry here, and I'm going to move this once again to another management here. I'm going to look to take out at break even. I don't like the fact that this one didn't get at least part of a rebound after this big impulse here. So this one, we may be swimming against the stream here. So just take it out, break even or better. So if it gaps up or whatever, just take it out no matter where it gaps up. And if not, make sure your stops are on. Your stops should still be below this low here. So that's IRM. JP Morgan, we're not in this one. It didn't trigger. It's actually continuing to go up. So we're going to keep this on the watch list, but there's no actionable trigger here. I want to see what it does at the 50-day. No harm, no foul there. Here's Google. And I know we never took this, but I just want to show that how it gravitated towards that moving average, which I believe I said when I first put this video on the list. I was a little nervous that we were far away from the moving averages, but there was no trigger on this one either. Now it hit the 10-day moving average, and we'll see what sets up. This still could be a tradable play, but no trigger for now on Google. And then SWSH was here and gone. We had an 838 entry, 748 stop. We were looking to move stops to break even at 878. It went to 891. So wound up, I believe, stopping us out. I think it dipped and wound up getting us. Let's just triple check this one just in case. But I think, yeah, that's the case. Yeah, there it is. It was, it dipped down here, right here, and got us out break even. So I mean, even it closed up a couple of cents from the entry, but this dipsy-do right here took us out. So that one's gone too. But that's fine. No harm, no foul on that one. The only two we are still in, CHBT, which we have a nice gain in here, and this IRM. And that's it. The rest have been taken off. I want to see what happens at the end of this week. Fallout from what happened today with the Fed meeting. We'll see what happens in the next few days with that and see if there's any reaction, and then we'll have a nice fresh list for next week. There may be some additions for Friday if something sets up tomorrow that would warrant that, but if not, we're probably just going to hold off until Monday. So that's it. Have a great trading day. Check back tomorrow in case there is, there'll be an updated video just on the two positions we have, but unless something, like I said, dramatically changes, we're probably not going to add any more positions for this week. Have a great trading day on Thursday. I'll talk to everybody again on Friday.